This story describes how a frog exploits a nightingale to earn the money. It shows how the bad training given by the frog causes the death of the nightingale. Once upon a time, a frog croaked in the forest called Binglebog. Other animals hated his voice, but all are forced to listen. The loud and unpleasant voice of the frog continued from the tree. All efforts were wasted, but not able to stop him from his strong determination. One night, one nightingale came there at the tree and started singing. Everyone in the bog clapped and admired her melodious voice. But the frog feared that now no one would hear him anymore. The frog was not happy with the nightingale. Next night, as she was ready to sing, the frog interrupted and introduced himself as the owner of the tree. Frog told that he is famous for his splendid baritone. As a critic, the frog said that her song was not too bad but was very long. The technique was good, but the song lacked power. Nightingale flattered with his reputed critic about her art. Frog took her into confidence and made an evil plan to get rid of her. He became her trainer and made her sing excessively for many hours. He started pointing out her mistakes and drawbacks, unnecessary and falsely. The nightingale received a response from miles gathered around to listen to her sweet song and voice, and the frog took the money as an admission fee. But the strain of training and singing was too much for such delicate and innocent bird. She grew sad and tense. The frog scolded her badly and said that she could not sing sweetly anymore. The nightingale had to bear all such exploitation. She lost the sweetness of her voice. Animals stopped coming to her singing at the concerts. The frog was very angry due to her failure. He asked her to puff her lungs to show the power and effort. The innocent nightingale puffed up, but her vein burst and she finally died. The cunning frog described her as a stupid creature. The frog said that she was nervous, tense, and prone to influence. Finally, the frog got the victory and started his unpleasant singing in the Bingle Bog. So, the moral of the story is that one should have confidence in oneself and believe in one's own talent. Thank you.